Good morning, guys. We're ready to start our event. It's exciting. Our masterclass for the second year is really going to be something special. So we're looking forward to all of you coming. It's early in the morning. We got to get started. We got to get things in place. So when you get here, we're ready to rock.
My name is Steph and I am the Director of Operations for Langlois Home Improvement. I've had the pleasure of joining a bunch of people in the industry here at the Burlington location for Fence Armor as they've hosted a masterclass. So far I've had so much fun and learned about the products and how to sell them, and I'm looking forward to being able to use these products with our customers in the future.
How you doing? My name is Darren Poland from First Place Finishing. We're here at the Fence Armor. We're having a industry event where we're learning with like-minded individuals to improve our businesses and learn about the Fence Armor products and extra stain and seal stains.
Hi, my name is Adrian White. I'm from White Castle Fence. I am currently at the Fence Armor Masterclass. So far the class has been really nice. We've had a chance to meet a lot of other fence contractors, stain guys, pressure wash guys that are basically brand new into the business. And we've also had a chance to watch a video feed from Titan Building Products, so that's been pretty cool as well. My company is predominantly a fence staining and a bin rental service. We've been using Fence Armor for about 3.5 years now. Most of our products our fence products always come with the Fence Armor Signature Series product, the Postsaver sleeve, the wrap. We found that most homeowners like that extra protection, so we've been able to sell that. It's been a really good time working with Al and Louise and everybody on the team so far, and this has just been a great experience. We've just been having a great time here today.
I'm Jeremy with LHI, Langlois Home Improvement. We do deck install, fence install, retaining wall, a lot of miscellaneous things. We're here today to learn a lot more about the staining side, so we're really excited to learn about that and Fence Armor's product. We want to start involving those all in our fences. So if we can do 100%, boost our bottom line, boost their bottom line, that'd be great. I've loved meeting a lot of people today, learning about their businesses, looking to make connections, especially with White Castle. Seeing kind of what we can learn from them and just grow our business a lot faster.
Cheers, bud. Well, thank you everybody for coming. Thank you, bud, for planning this fantastic event. Everybody was, I think, very happy with the outcome.
It was great. For sure, it was our best master class. It's our second master class, and we keep getting better at it. And what makes it better are the people that come. We really were enchanted by the audience we had. People in the restoration business, in the deck business, in the fencing business, in the landscape business. People from different crosses of life who are looking for opportunities to become more effective and more valuable to the customers they serve with our products. Fence Armor has a great brand. We have great products like Stain and Seal, Mr. Fence products, Reality Fence, new technologies that we're able to share with them to help them generate more revenues. I think we couldn't thank them enough for coming, and I hope they feel the same when they get back home to their families.
Cheers, bud.
Cheers.